Welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel. One of the most common and helpful places to put a console table is the foyer, placed by our entry door. A console table can provide some much needed surface space for keys, hats, scarves, and other miscellaneous items. When decorated, a console table can greet guests with a preview of your home's style and add a lovely live-in quality to your home. We recommended hanging a wall mirror above your entryway console table. It will not only fill the empty space above the table, but it will also give you a place to touch up your experience before leaving the house. A dining room is one of the most elegant rooms in the home. It is a place where you can gather for a family meal, host friends and family for holiday dinners, or display your prize collection if antique dishware. But have you ever felt like something was missing from your dining room? If you're looking for ways to enhance the look of your room, consider adding a sideboard to your dining room. The advantages of a sideboard in your dining room are many and will make the investment a worthwhile one of your home. A buffet can be either a sideboard, a flat topped piece of furniture with cupboards and drawers used for storing crockery, glasses, and table linen, or a system of serving meals in which food is placed in public area where the diners serve themselves. A form of service buffet are offered at various places, including hotels, restaurants, and many social events. Buffet restaurants normally offer all-you-can-eat food for a set price, but some major price by weight or by number of dishes. Buffet usually have some hot dishes, so the term cold buffet has been developed to describe formats lacking hot food. Hot or cold buffet usually involve dishware and utensils, but a finger buffet is an area food that are designed to be small and easily consumed only by hand, such as cupcakes, slice of pizza, frozen cocktail strikes, etc. The essential feature of the various buffet format is that the diners can directly view the food and immediately select which dishes they wish to consume and usually also can decide how much food they take. Buffets are effective for serving large number of people at once and are often seen in institutional settings because conventions or large parties. Thank you for watching. For the latest and trending interior design, must watch, subscribe and like interior design channel.